Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Rice Krispie treats from scratch. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to need 5.5 cups of marshmallows, mini marshmallows. You're going to need 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats and a large saucepan. You're going to need to turn your stove to low heat and let this heat up. I'm going to go ahead and add this butter and let it melt. And that's how it's done. Now you need to add your 5.5 cups of mini marshmallows. Now you need to let these melt fully and start mixing them. Done. Now, after it's fully melted, remove from heat onto a little heat pad. You need to add your Rice Krispies at this point. So you will dump some in. Dump them all in. Come on, just set that in. You dump them all in and start mixing. Make sure you get all that Rice Krispie coated in that marshmallow. Once they're all coated, remove into a 13x9 greased pan. Last, spread evenly into a pan. After spread evenly, let it cool for 30 minutes, then enjoy. Snap, crackle, pop!